Hi everyone. So last class we discussed about the pivot table. So today we only focus on the lookup. Generally, day-to-day life, if you want to find something, there you use the find and replace option, like in Word, in Excel. But if you want to be find the specific things, like as per the employee ID, employee salaries, as per the employee name, employee salaries, as per the item name, how much item you buy. So that's time you need the lookup. Lookup generally is three categories we are generally using. That V lookup, H lookup, and X lookup. V lookup means vertical lookup, and H means horizontal. X is the combine of the both V lookup and H lookup. Okay. So before enter to the topic, I generally try to explain about the what is lookup. So here I am writing. So okay, just give me a minute. So we use the lookup for the find the for search and get the result. Okay. Generally, we can use that find functions which already available. Just I'm seeing. Let's see. We you can use the find, but on find you get the all the data. But if you need that specific data, like already I discussed that as per the employee name, you need to be find out the employee salary. As per the employee name, you want to find out that only leave period or some things. Or if you are running one business, that time you want to be find out that as per the item, you want to find out that how much you spend for that. Purchasing or something, so that time you can use the lookup. So lookup three categorize, right? So one is V lookup, then second one is H lookup, and third one is X lookup. Okay. V lookup means vertical lookup. What is vertical we will discuss. H lookup means H lookup, okay, horizontal. H means horizontal. Then X is combine of V. Okay, just give me a minute. Lookup, and that X lookup means the combine of both V plus H. Okay, so putting color Alt HFC. Okay, just give okay. So vertical lookup. Vertical means I'm just made the screen full screen. Always. Okay. So what is vertical? Vertical means like this, means top to bottom. Okay. if you want to data top to bottom. I'm showing you one example. Look at this. Here that as per the employee ID. Here the employee ID in the form of top to bottom. Okay. Then horizontal. Horizontal. You need to be safe. So horizontal. This okay. Left to right. You can say this is horizontal. Here you can see. Right. Here you can see the heading coming like student name coming left to right. But on VLOOKUP, it's top to bottom, and the XLOOKUP is combined. Okay, so VLOOKUP. Okay, so let's go to the VLOOKUP. Like I have here the data like employee ID, employee name, deferment, salaries. So here, if I want to be someone asking that, please tell me the salaries of the employee, which one ID is E104. So if generally I can see that E1044500, okay, 45,000. But if I have the lots of data, okay, like I'm now taking, okay, just give me a minute. I'm here. Go to the GPT and I'm saying that for this format, on this format, give me give me 50 employee data. Like this, and the employee ID format or the what? Okay. So here I am asking about the 50 employee data. Yeah, you can see. This is the 50 employee data. Okay, you can see. Okay, so when I have that 5 to 6 employees, that normal that I don't need to be use any VLOOKUP and other for functions, because we can see directly from here that employee number E104, that salary is 45,000. But just think, if I consider that 50 employee, or if some company has that more than 1,000 employee, so that time finding the salaries or specific thing might be difficult. So what we can do, use the VLOOKUP, okay, vertical lookup. I already discussed that what is vertical lookup. This one means top to bottom. So how we can do that? Just click one. First need to be okay. I already created here. Okay, I'm creating another one. Just choose one space where you want to be check the data. Just I'm selecting this place. So after that, you need to go to the data. Already discussed that if you want to shortcut key, then click on the Alt tab. Then here below showing that A, click on A. Then go to the V. Then for data validation, again click V. Then here go to the list. Look at this. Here need to click list. Okay. On list, you can see that source. Here click one. Click on your mouse point. Then go to the your employee ID. I'm here selecting all employee ID. Okay. Then click on OK. So now you can see that all employee details here as a list. Okay. Now, if I want to be for the VLOOKUP, so need to be click equal for VLOOKUP, click VLOOKUP. Okay. You can see here. Okay. So first asking for lookup value. Lookup value means where you want to be look. Means for employee ID you can see here, but where I can see means this formula see for find out the employee details. So that for that we are choosing this place. Okay, these cells. Then after that give the comma. Then showing the table array. Table, choose the table. I am selecting the table. For fix, clicking F4. Some laptop not working F4, so that time you need to be click on function plus F4, function key plus F4. Okay, then comma, then column index. That what you want to be see, that as per employee ID, employee name, or department or salaries. So right now I want to see the employee name. So employee name means column number 2. This is column number 1, this column number 2. So here I click column number 2. Then asking for approximate match, yeah, exact. I am here need for exact match. So click here, then click tab button, then enter. Okay, so here showing not available because we not selected the employee ID till now. So if I select any employee ID E10, E15, okay, E105, you can see here showing the as per the employee ID, showing the employee name. Okay, if I choose that 103 as per 103 Arjun Patel, 103 is Arjun Patel, 101 is Rahul Sharma. Okay, like this. I need the department, I need the salaries. So how can I do it? Just need to be the click and drag. Okay, here showing error because why this on the review just need to click on the formula. Okay, here showing error. Look at this. Here the lookup cell is B4, but on this the lookup cell is C4. Okay, so we need to be converted into or change into B4. Okay, shift B. Here showing Rahul Sharma. Why? The problem is we choose the column number 2. Here we need to be choose the column number 3 for deferment because column number 1, column number 2, column number 3 and column number 4. So if we want to be see that deferment data, so that time we need to the correct column number. So when we are choosing that 2, so that formula assuming that we are want to know about that column number 2 data. Okay, so what we need to do here, go to here and change it to 3. Okay, you can see cells. Now for the salaries, here I change it to V4. Here for 2 I need to be changed to 4. Okay, now you can see as per employee ID. Okay, here the problem, I'm just shifting. Look at this. Okay, here I'm changing the employee ID name E102 Priya Joshi HR 29500. Here you can see. Okay, Okay, again I'm changing in the employee name E104 Sneha Roy 104 Sneha Roy IT 45,000. Okay, so if you have that small table, so you can easily pick up the data and directly tell to someone. Like if you have the broad data, like I am taking here, so that time also you can use that formula. Generally, it is for the large data, not for that you are using 5 to 6 employee data. Or if you are managing your company stocks, so that time also you can use these functions for find out the item or other things. Okay, so here I'm going. Okay, let's see again we do for this big data. So what need to do? Click on cell, go to data. If you know the shortcut key, then alt a. Then for validation click V. For data validation again click V. Here on allow click on the list, then go to source. Okay, here you need to select your ID, employee ID. Okay, completed. Then click on OK. Okay, here you can get all employee ID. Then what you need to do? Use the VLOOKUP formula. Equal VLOOKUP. Then already I told you that choose the lookup cells like this. Click comma. Then select your table. If you want to be fixed, then click F4. Or some laptop it's not working, so at that time you can need to be click on function plus F4. Okay. Then comma. Then column index. This is the column number 1. This is column number 2. So we want to see the employee number, employee name. So this is 2. Okay. Then the false for exact match. Okay. Mm, employee 1 you can see. Okay. Mm, hmm. Okay. Again, if I want to see the deferment, if I want to see the different salaries, already I told you that you need to be change the lookup here, change to B, then change to only column. Okay. For salaries, same process, D to V and 2 to 4. 4 means for number column. Okay. And this is the employee ID. Okay. So now see, I'm just okay. So I just drag here. Now see here if I change someone 102, you can change the change of salary 104, 105. Okay. Okay. Now okay, I think you understand about the VLOOKUP. If you have doubt, then you can ask the questions. Okay. Now this is the VLOOKUP, so I am writing VLOOKUP. Okay. VLOOKUP. Okay. Now go to the HLOOKUP. Here also I have the table. Okay. Already I discussed that what is HLOOKUP. Here you can see H means horizontal. Here that H means horizontal lookup. Horizontal means left to right. So here you can see like in VLOOKUP where the data like top to bottom, but in horizontal like that left to right. Okay, like student ID, name, math, science. Okay, so if you have the data like this, okay, because as per the business requirement, someone writing that horizontal form, some write the vertical form. So if someone writing the horizontal, so that time you can use that edge lookup. If someone write the vertical form, so that time you can use the vertical formula means V lookup. Okay. So here the data. I'm also asking to ChatGPT to create 50 student data. Okay. Like for this format, create 50 student, 50 data, 50 data. Okay, 50 data, 50 data. So it's also too easy. Keep space here, keep here the page, keep color yellow. Okay, then here the I'm writing that edge lookup. If you are planning to giving any exam like for account and other things, so maximum time they might be asked means it's the top level question, maybe advanced level. They ask you about the what is H lookup, what is V lookup, what is X lookup. Okay, so this is the advanced level of Excel generally considered in the accountant and the other Excel related work. So here you can see AI generated the data, but this format is okay. You can see generator. I need the vertical format to X vertical format. Vertical not vertical, horizontal. Sorry, not vertical. I need it horizontal format. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now you can see here the data. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Let's see. So for the age lookup also you need to choose the one cell. That cell work as a lookup cells. Okay. Where the formula will be look like I'm clicking here, keeping some color so you can understand too. Here lookup cells. Now click here equal VLOOKUP for vertical for horizontal H lookup. Here click sorry, we forgot to keep go to the data configure data validations, click here the list. Hmm, it's for I need H for the student ID. Okay, you can check H for the student num too. So here I am choosing equal H lookup, then asking for lookup value. Lookup value is here, means this formula need to look here. Then table array. Table is this. This is the table. Hmm. This is the table. Let's look for F4. Then asking that as per the I want to see that student name too and exact mix. Yeah. Okay. I'm taking here. I am getting the ID. Okay. Look at this. Here I am selecting one student ID. Student 102. 102 is Priya. Student 104. 104 is Sneha. Like I also want to see that mark like math on science. So what I'll do here, click and drag. Showing error because I think you might know already discussing the VLOOKUP. Since the VLOOKUP here, what we need to do K6. Give the exact flash for the lookup value K6, and if we want to be see the here you can see showing Sneha because the row number, this is the row number is 2, this is row number 1, this is row number 2, so that's why showing Sneha. This is row number 3. We need to find out that math mark, so here select the row number 3. Like if you need the science mark, so here change is to K6 to change the lookup value and row number 4. Okay, so now we can see it looks like that format is true because Excel default formula they consider that for that text left alignment for the number right alignment, so that's why it looks like this. Okay, here I'm selecting that student 102 6560. Okay, 6560 Priya. You can see like this. We have another table. Um, it has the big data. So here also, what you can do. Now I am selecting here like so. I am creating the student ID. Student student ID. I want to see as per student ID or student name, not student actually. I want to see as per student name. Student name. I want to see the mark, math mark, maths. But you might be clear that if you are selecting that as per the, if you want to see as per the student name something result, or you are selecting as per the item name getting any, you want to get any data, so you might be think about this, the data might be unique. Okay, if like name of Rohan other student might have in the class, so that's create confusion. Okay, and okay, let's see. So go to here, go data validations. Here the list, click here, then selecting. Okay, I can do. Okay, you can see now here the whole student's name. Okay, then math. If I want to be see the math, it's for student name. So type equal h lookup. Then after lookup value is here, then comma, then table array table is here. Okay, then asking for that row index. Row means I am asking for that. I need that math data, so selecting that row number 2. Okay, row number 2. For maths, here I'll be select what exact match. Then close bracket. Okay. So now see, if I select Rohan 78, where is Rohan? Where is okay? Rohan secured 78. Priya 65. Priya 65. Okay, like Keshav 70. Where is Keshav? Keshav 70. Yeah, Keshav 70. Okay. Okay. So it's what H lookup. Now go to the X lookup. Okay. It's the combine of both V lookup and H lookup. Okay. It's the combine of both V lookup and H lookup. Okay. Let's see how we can use this formula functions. So here's the table. Here's the table as per the employee ID salaries. Okay. Or I have the another table like I'm creating here. Control Alt V here that transpose. Okay, you see here. This is that vertical. This is horizontal. Okay. I'm just changing the formatting. Okay. Everything changed into that right alignment. Okay. So let's see how we can use the X lookup. Giving the heading name just like I'm giving here the this. This is for X lookup. Okay. For X lookup, here click the bold. I'm just okay. I'm selecting one the place lookup place here. Okay. If you once you can type it manually, but where I am choosing the list from the data validation because it's provide you that what exact employee ID or what you are looking for or less chance of error. You can quickly find out from the employee ID because if you want to be typing, just I'm showing you like here I'm using that X lookup. Okay. Then asking for lookup value, here the lookup value, then lookup array, here the lookup array. Okay. Then as per lookup array, what you want to see? Like I want to check that employee ID. Okay. See anything? If not found, I am writing a zero. Okay. So look at this. If I'm not choosing that selecting the formula of data validations listing formula, so what happened? Like I'm for employee ID EU102, EU102. I need to be type manually. E103. E1103. Okay. But if you have the list data, means you can be managed through the list. So that time you need to be right. You can what you can do. You can go to that data validations. Click here. Okay. You can manage through it. List formula. Okay. Now see. This is okay. Okay. VLOOKUP also like this. I am here using the XLOOKUP. You can see. If I want to be use that VLOOKUP. So here the VLOOKUP is asking for that lookup value. Then tell me to the select the table array. Table array. Then asking about that column number, that I need the column number 2. Then for exact means okay. Look at this. VLOOKUP also the same. You can do. But what's the benefit of XLOOKUP? Look at this. Here what I did, just click here, click XLOOKUP. Okay. Then asking for the lookup, yeah, select, then okay. Then asking for the looking array. Looking array means the ID here. Okay. Then this. Then asking for the return array. What you want to return like name. I select return name. Okay. You can see. But the main benefit is X lookup is you can use it for the V lookup and H lookup instead of using the different formula. Okay. Like if you know the only X lookup, you can do the V lookup and H lookup both work. Okay. Here you can see V lookup here below I have used X lookup. Okay. Like this. Here that horizontal. So that time you generally use that if you don't know the X lookup, so you what you will do? You use the H lookup. Means different formula for that. But if you know the X lookup, here see that okay. Here also I select the one place. Okay. Then go to that data, data validations, data validations, then here. Okay. Okay. So if you have if you don't want to be if you don't want to be use that X lookup, so what you will do? Like normally you use the manual form. This is the manual formula. Like use that equal H lookup, then select here. Then what you will do? Asking for table, select that table. Then asking for that row index, which number row you want to show. Like I want to show that as per the ID, second row, then select that second. Then exact match. Okay, look at this. So here that I am selecting the each one. Okay, Rahul. Okay. So what showing that E101 is Rahul name. Okay. But if only you know that X lookup. So what you will do? Equal X lookup. On X lookup here below C asking for lookup value. Here the lookup value. Then asking for lookup array. Which array? That here the array is this. Means where says employee ID come this row na. So select this row. Okay. If you want to be drag into that next for the department salary, so generally try to be fix this. Okay, for fix you just need to be click you can click on F4 table, but if don't work then function plus F4. Okay. Okay, then asking for the return array, what you want to be returned after looking this array. What array? The lookup array. So I am looking for the name. So here selecting that Okay, D15 and D14. The D14. I am looking for the D14. Okay, not D. I need C. Okay, then return array here. Hmm. Look at this. So here I use the X lookup. Here also X lookup. Okay. This is the V lookup. Sorry, H lookup. This is V lookup. So here what I did that only use the one formula for the both horizontal lookup, both the vertical lookup. Okay. Only use that one formula. So if you want to be, you can use both H lookup, V lookup. But if you want to be play smart, so you need to be learn that X lookup. Okay. Here you can see on X lookup we perform the both the tasks using one formula. Using one formula. Okay. You can see this is advanced level. Okay. Okay. So if you like this video, just try to like here the like button. Click on the like button and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. On upcoming videos, you will get the update what Python and other things if you want to learn. Because nowadays you might know that AI is changing everything, so you need to be updated or upgrade your skills. So try to follow these channels because it's completely free. You not need to be pay anything. Okay, so this is the what X lookup. No, X lookup. This is the X lookup. Okay, that advanced lookup functions. On next class, we will be discuss about that some more advanced feature. So this is V lookup. Okay, this is X lookup. This is that V lookup, vertical lookup. Okay, this is horizontal lookup, H lookup. Okay. For today, we have discussed everything about that lookup. So in the next class, we'll be discuss about the more advanced feature. So bye for today. Before leaving, try to be like this, like and subscribe the channel. So okay.